Before you begin, remove the access panel, M.2 SSD module, memory modules, expansion cards, real-time clock battery, combo jack PS2 module, I/O cards, option boards, fan duct, system fan assembly, power supply, heatsink, and processor. Removal. Important. Make careful note of the location of all cables connected to the system board for later replacement. Disconnect all cables from the connectors on the system board. Remove the 8, 9mm T15 Torx head screws that secure the system board to the chassis. Carefully lift up the front edge of the system board and slide the external connectors out of the cutouts in the chassis. Remove the system board from the chassis. Replacement. At an angle, slide the external connectors on the system board into the cutouts in the chassis and lower the system board into position. Replace the 8, 9mm T15 Torx head screws that secure the system board to the chassis. Connect all cables into the connectors on the system board. Important. After system board replacement, be sure to complete post-installation tasks as required that may include verifying functionality of the computer, updating the BIOS, updating DMI and other settings,